I've created 15 ChatGPT prompts to help you learn and practice Mandarin all by yourself. They're divided into beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels, with 5 prompts for each. With these prompts, you can learn Mandarin anytime, anywhere, completely on your own. These prompts aren't free because I've spent days creating, testing, and refining them to make sure they're effective. However, you can get a free prompt on my website to create a tailored Mandarin study plan for beginners. Just a heads up, while this free prompt is designed for beginners with a few customizations, you can easily adapt it for intermediate or advanced learners too. If you're just starting out, here are 5 beginner prompts for you. For intermediate learners looking to level up, check out these 5 prompts. And if you're advanced, these 5 prompts are designed to challenge and refine your skills. With these prompts, you'll focus on active learning. Not only will you receive input tailored to your language goals, but you'll also practice what you have learned and get instant correction and feedback to help you sound more natural. Let me show you an example of how to use the prompt for intermediate learners. I'm using the ChatGPT 4.0 model, by the way. The prompt title is Building Realistic Sentences with Grammar Pattern. Today, I want to focus on the ba sentence structure. Here, I got a detailed explanation of ba along with some examples of how to use it. Then it was time to practice. First, ChatGPT asked me to explain what I've learned in my own words. After that, there were 2 practice exercises to test my understanding. I typed in my answers and here's the feedback I received. Now I can keep practicing until I really get used to using ba. With each round of feedback, I can refine my understanding and practice as much as I want until I feel confident. Now let's go over how to access and use them. Here's how it looks before logging in, and here's how it looks after. The purchase button is at the bottom if you're ready to get started with these prompts. One thing to note, if you purchase prompt for a specific level, you will only have access for that level. Makes sense, yeah? You can see the prompt titles here. Just click on the tab and voila, here's your prompt. All you need to do is copy and paste it into ChatGPT at chatgpt.com. Now here is the most important step. Customize the text in red to match your own goals and needs. Once that's done, you're ready to start learning and practicing with ChatGPT. Lastly, you can find the free prompt here below this video to create a personalized Mandarin study plan for total beginners. Thank you all so much for your support. It's because of you that I can continue creating free content for thousands of Mandarin learners like you. I hope these prompts help you take your Mandarin skills to the next level. Keep learning and improving. Peace!